We are a world in motion. We demand to move ourselves and our products where we want, when we want, at greater and greater speeds. Yet our demands for speed cannot be achieved until we are first capable of stopping, both safely and reliably. Since 1929, Akebono Brake Industry has specialized in one thing and one thing only: braking systems. For over 60 years, we have supplied stopping power for a diversity of products, ranging from fishing reels, washing machines, and bicycles, to automobiles, trucks, the 50-ton, 150-mile-an-hour high-speed bullet train, and even the new 300-mile-an-hour high-speed surface transportation train. Akebono braking systems are world-renowned for innovation, design, quality, and above all, reliability. The brakes we are now producing for the automotive market will usually outlast their vehicles. Such achievement has resulted largely from the efforts of the Akebono Brake Systems Engineering Center, or BSEC. As part of Akebono's commitment to superior service in the North American marketplace, we have located BSEC in Farmington Hills, Michigan, minutes from Detroit. Coupled with our production plant in Kentucky and our sales office in Illinois, we can offer our clients a quicker, more accurate response to their braking requirements. Our North American location also improves communication with our many American suppliers and employees. Akebono BSEC is at the root of every new project. We start with an intensive, in-depth analysis of each client's individual braking needs. This not only allows us to satisfy immediate requirements, it also allows us to project each client's future needs. Whatever the requirement, our first goal is a braking system of uncompromising reliability. Chemical, mechanical, and electrical engineers with years of worldwide expertise and experience form the Akebono BSEC team. At the touch of a button, they have an instantaneous link with over 60 years of research, development, and testing stored in Akebono's vast memory databanks. Such capability for coordination and knowledge sharing has made the BSEC Group unmatched innovators in braking systems. This unique capability led to the joint development with Bosch of the anti-lock braking system. Akebono has independently designed and developed a slide stopper brake, which maintains braking action without foot pressure while the vehicle idles, yet releases immediately when the accelerator is depressed. At present, we are actively pushing ahead with even smarter braking systems. Not only are we world leaders in brake design and engineering, Akebono BSEC also led the development of new non-metallic friction materials, which are totally asbestos-free. This is a great consideration in the face of growing environmental concern. Also, these materials are more stable, do not rust, eliminate noise, and are much lighter than conventional materials. It is such innovative development, coupled with such vast information access and experimentation, that has led to literally thousands of patents and patents pending for Akebono. New materials and designs developed by our staff are tested completely at every stage, from raw material procurement to tryout production. After quality control analysis in our laboratory, raw materials are formed into actual brake pads and linings in our tryout department. They are weighed and mixed according to specifications of the chemical engineers. The mixture then goes through several production stages. First, it is lightly formed in a press, then dried, and hot pressed to a backplate. The prototype parts are then cured in a bake oven. Following this, they are ground, surface scorched, and finally, even painted. The end result is actual production brakes, made exactly the way they'll come off a production line and be mounted on a vehicle. What better way to thoroughly test the parts? The prototypes go through exhaustive testing, including standard tests for hardness, shear, and braking ability. They also undergo special testing on Akebono engineered and designed equipment. These unique machines include the fundamental brake tester, which evaluates basic disc brake characteristics, such as fluid displacement and drag, and a sliding resistance caliper of a disc brake. They undergo further testing in extremes of temperature. They are tested on a dual dynamometer and mounted on the vehicle they're designed for, hoisted up and observed under actual working conditions. We even send them to the Akebono Brake Test Track, the finest brake test track in the world. How many other automotive suppliers have their own test track? Only when our prototypes pass these extensive tests have we succeeded in achieving Akebono BSEC's goal of developing reliable, high-quality brake products that satisfy the client's individual needs. Akebono Brake Systems Engineering Center, making possible the world's demands for speedier transportation by leading the way in brake systems technology.